paper money of Antigua. Now, world paper money, a lot of the time, is not worth investing your time into. I would even say 99.9% of the time, if you come across a world paper money bill, it's not going to be worth that much money at all. In rare instances like the ones in this video, they're going to bring tremendous value. I'm going to tell you exactly what to look for on your Antigua paper money bills and how to avoid getting scammed if you ever try to sell them. All right, let's hop into it. So all of these are East Caribbean states central banks, and they have Queen Elizabeth on the front of them. Now, these bills are from the late 1990s all the way to the mid 1960s. Something very important to see if yours is from Antigua is going to be not the prefix, but the suffix, which is the last letter in the serial number. So you can see the serial number ends in A, which means Antigua. If your East Caribbean Central Bank note ends with a D, that means Dominica. If it ends with a G, that's Grenada. If it ends in K, that's St. Kitts, L, St. Lucia, etc., etc. This first one is a $20 bill graded by PMG at a 67 EPQ, and it sold for $195.20. This next one is a $50 bill, so the denomination is going up, and typically a good rule of thumb is that the higher denomination world paper money bill you have, the more money it's going to be worth. Now, that's not always the case. Think about Zimbabwe and how high their denominations are. You know, they've got like multi-trillion-dollar banknotes because of the inflation over there. But this $50 bill graded by PMG at a 68 sold for $456. This East Caribbean States Antigua $100 bill was graded by PMG at a 66, and it sold for $960. Now, this is a cool one here, guys. This one was around the 1965 era. You can see that large letter A there on the left-hand side. It means Antigua once again, and there's a lot of different varieties for these world paper money bills. This example by PMG at a 64 EPQ sold for $1,260. Here's an example of a $100 bill from the mid to late 1980s. This $100 bill graded by PMG at a 66 EPQ sold for $1,708. And here we have a $100 bill from around 1993. This one was able to sell for $2,280. PMG graded it at a 68. Really beautiful notes, and they can bring a lot of money. So understand that if you have any of the bills that you saw in this video, what you want to do is contact a rare paper money expert, which can be a bit challenging to come across. You know, it's not that easy to find one, but a great first step that you can do is get our free coin and currency ebook down below. When you get that ebook, you're also going to join our email list that you can unsubscribe from at any time, but we're going to send you information about coins and currency, and there's going to be opportunities to sell your collectibles if they're actually worth money. Now, again, 99.9% of the time, your coin or currency is not going to be worth any money. But in the off chance that you have one of the bills that you saw in this video, then you could be sitting on something worth a lot of money. We hope you enjoyed this video, guys. We will see you in the next one.